Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Facebook application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now the Facebook application is installed by default on most smartphones. However, if your phone doesn't have it already pre-installed, then you can go ahead and open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, go ahead and tap on the search box and then type in Facebook and start your search. Now, when you find the Facebook application, you have two different options. You can use the Facebook Lite application if you don't want the Facebook app to use more space on your device. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the app on your device. The same is the case with the Facebook app. Tap on install and wait for a while until the installation is completed. Now, once the installation is done, you will see the open button which you can tap on to open up the Facebook application right away. Then you can proceed with logging into your account or signing up to create a new one to immediately start using your Facebook account right from your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Facebook application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.